Hello everyone, this is Sejal Agarwal, a finance enthusiast. Hope you all are staying safe and liking my posts and videos till now. So, in today's video, we'll talk about financial modeling. What is financial modeling? Why it is to be done? What's its importance? And what all should we look for while going for it? And at the end of the video, I have some exciting New Year surprise for you all. Hope you'll enjoy it and like my videos. Okay. So first question: what is financial modeling? Before I go ahead on the question, something I would like to quote: if you give person a meal, that would feed him for a day, but if you give person a skill, that would feed him for lifetime. So financial modeling is a skill. So like what we learn in our courses, CA, CFA, or maybe any other course, is that we gain the knowledge, but what is lacking is the skill, like how to use that knowledge. That is something we get from financial modeling. We get to know how to build those financial models, how to, like, we have learned about DDM in our practical questions and everything, but how to use dividend distribution model is the question. So that is how we in that financial modeling we learn how to make dividend distribution model. So that is financial modeling, how to make different financial models as per the industry and company that is there. And like what is its importance in today's world? There are so many CAs, so many CFA, and so many other people who have immense knowledge, but still if they don't know how to work on Excel, if they don't know how to use that knowledge, what is its use? Nothing. So yeah, to be up to date with the skill set, to be able to use our knowledge properly, we have to learn financial modeling. We have to have our hand on our laptop and know how to use that quickly and make financial models, use our Excel skills. That is the one thing that made me outshine everywhere. Everywhere I went, my Excel skills were appreciated just because I had the edge over others in that. So I want you all to learn those skills. That is the most important thing in today's era. Yeah, so that is the thing about financial modeling. Where you should do it. Firstly, what I feel is look for financial modeling. There are many financial modeling classes in the market. So look for a class which provides the knowledge from the basic, like basic on how to start a computer even. That would develop the basic structure. A strong basic structure is very important for the tallest building. That is the thing. So in which you need to know basics of Excel, the magic the Excel can do, and whatnot. Then secondly, you should see for the certifications, like what all certifications they are doing, giving you, and what all they are helping you with. Like there are many NISM certificates from our NSE, and those are very important, and so that will add value to your resume. And thirdly, what you can look for is what all is covered in their course. Like they always give you a brochure in which they give you the guidance what all is covered and how will they cover that. Maybe try to learn just one software, but try to learn it in the most in-depth way. That would help you the most. Basic software that you should know is Word, Excel, PowerPoint. These are basics for the job. A job or anywhere, not just job, anywhere you go, these softwares are must known, and you will be surprised that how many things you don't know. I was blessed to have a great teacher who taught me from the scratch of it, and I was like I was shocked that I didn't know so much even after working for a year. So that is the most important thing. And what else you should look for is like how industry specific they are. I just don't want you to go for somewhere where they'll just tell you how to make just one model. I want you to go some where they'll deliver you core knowledge as well, ki how to build a model for any industry if you want. So that is the thing you should look for, that you can get to know after talking to them for a while, talking to them and learning. Try to go to a place where they'll teach you to work on live industry models. So that is a very good thing to experience it while you are learning it. So that would be amazing for you. And what else you want, you can shoot me your questions in the comment and I'll try and reply to each one of you as I've done in my previous videos. And about your new year surprise, yes, so I'm planning to conduct finance workshop with many experienced people in finance, in which they'll come with me on the video and we'll chat with them about the different questions you guys have in mind. So there in videos you can shoot the questions, or maybe we can conduct a webinar with them and we can all talk to them and understand different prospects and different questions we have in mind related to finance. So if you're interested, do shoot a comment of yes in the video and then I'll definitely do it. If you have any queries and if you have any suggestions for me, do shoot me up with that. Hope you are liking my content and thank you so much. Stay safe, stay happy. Happy New Year. Enjoy.